SEMI and Cornell University are teaming up to launch a research and development project aimed at speeding up technology within the microelectronics manufacturing and supply chain industries. The goal of the project is to use machine learning and artificial intelligence to both optimize and accelerate lithography and plasma etch. Additionally, the project aims to accelerate data-driven AI methods to streamline microelectronics operations. The semiconductor manufacturing industry is extremely complicated due to the interdependencies that exist across processes and environments. As a result, identifying root causes within manufacturing is much more difficult, which slows the speed of development to new technologies. Members of SEMI will provide tools and materials for the project. Cornell University's nanoscale science and technology facility will be used for the project. Visit techfunnel.com for other stories related to the MarTech industry. Connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram.